Hello mamas and daddies, welcome back to our channel Bourbon Kids. Today we are here with 10 amazing 5 senses activity for preschooler. So stay tuned with us.
Our first activity is test of taste. You all need for this activity different kind of foods with different taste like salty, bitter, sour, sweet and spicy. Kids have to taste and explain how the taste is. Our second activity is Jello Sensory Bag. For this activity, you need a Ziploc bag with slime inside. Give this bag your child to play with it and enjoy. Our third activity is sensory bottle. For this activity, you all need 3 or 4 transparent plastic bottles, water, sparkles, watercolor, beads and crystals. Add all the things in bottles and your sensory bottle is ready. Kids, shake the bottle and enjoy the different views inside the bottle. Our fourth activity is PlayDoh. For this activity, you need PlayDoh, wooden knife, some cookies cutter or shapes cutter. Give PlayDoh to kids and let them play with it. They roll it, blend it, cut it and try the different shapes with it. Our fifth activity is sound sensory. For this activity, you all need different types of utensils of kitchen like plate, bowl, lunchbox, etc. You can use music system also for this activity. Kids really love this activity with hearing and dancing. Our sixth activity is smell sensory. For this activity, you need different beauty products, soap and flowers with different smell. You can use food item also for this activity. Our seventh activity is sensory walk. I made the sensory walking path for kids. For this path making, you need chart paper, glue, pom-pom, gift wrapping paper, leaves, bottle caps, green branches, small pieces, small size stone and bubble wrap. Our eighth activity is visual sensory. For this activity, you need different colors, thin transparent plastic sheets, cardboard, glue, paper straw and scissor. You can make small frames from all these things and give it to your kids and ask to see from this. They enjoy the view happily. Our ninth activity is rainbow rice. For this activity, you can give your child a basket and some toys like scooper, spoon, small bowl and colorful rice. Our 10th activity is sensory sandbox. For this activity, you can use scoops, spoons, seashells, small bowl and toys with sand and basket. You can also make kid-safe homemade sand at home with all-purpose flour and cocoa powder.
So parents and kids, I hope you all like our activities. If you like our activities, please like and share this